Hey everybody, it's Chica. I'm going to show you today how to make tiny eyeglasses for your altered moments. One of the most common questions here in this group is, how do you make tiny eyeglasses? Well, I'm going to show you today. It's really easy. All you need is a little pair of pliers and some wire. The gauges of the wire are going to tell you how thick they are. This is a 16 gauge wire, which is pretty thick and kind of hard to bend. This is an 18 gauge wire, which I like a lot better. Now remember, gauges work backwards, so 16 is actually bigger than 18. If you want really fat frames on your glasses, maybe go with a 16. If you want thinner frames, go with an 18. You can find wire like this in the craft store in the jewelry section. It's really inexpensive, 99 cents for this whole roll. So I'm going to make a pair today using this silver wire. And the only tools I need to make it are some pliers and a marker or pen. Okay, this is the little lady I'm going to make some glasses for, and I've got my 18 gauge wire here. I'm going to take some of this wire and very carefully take it out of the loop. You don't want to put any kinks in this if you can help it. And I'm going to cut a piece, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 inches long. I would go a little longer until you figure out exactly how to use this. You can always cut it shorter. Now, the first thing we need to do is make this as straight as possible. Don't try to use the pliers for this. You will kink it. Just pull and pull until it's straight. Okay, see, I have a nice straight piece. Now to form it, you need a marker, a pen, something with a nice smooth barrel that is basically the diameter that you want your eyeglasses to be. This highlighter works great for me. So I'm going to hold the marker and I'm going to place the wire over it, making sure I leave enough sticking out here to make the arm of the glasses. Again, leave a little extra. You can always cut it later. Now holding this right here, I'm just going to wrap around one time, just like that. So easy. This 18 gauge wire bends really easily. Keep it nice and straight, and we'll just slide that off. Okay, there is the first of our eyeglasses. Okay, for the second loop, all we need to do is move this marker over a little bit and try to space it to where it's going to be at the top of the loop. So we'll go maybe about right here, hold it with my thumb, and I'm lining it up, and I'm just going to wrap that around again like that to make my second loop. All right, and then we slide this off, kind of flatten it with our fingers. Okay, look, now we have the 2 loops of the glasses. Okay, so from here, let's check and make sure that it fits. Oh, look at that, nailed it. So actually, maybe I can move them a little bit closer together. So let's maybe bend it just a little bit to get those eyes a little closer together. Okay, I'm happy with that. That's going to work. Now, the next step is to bend these arms back. And to make sure you get it exactly right for your piece, I like to put it on the piece and hold it gently. And then I'm going to get my pliers. They don't have to be round over. They can just be anything needle nose. So I'm going to go right here and I'm going to figure out exactly where I want that piece to bend right there. And I'm going to hold it. Now I'm going to bend this straight back. All right, look, there's the first arm of my glasses. So again, let's position that and make sure, see that? It goes straight back to her ear. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to flip it around because I'm right-handed and that'll be a little easier for me. Okay, so right here is where I want it. Move the figurine and let's bend that back. Okay, there are my cute little glasses. All right, now at this point I can shape it. If you don't want these quite as round, you could sort of flatten it a little bit with the pliers to have kind of a straight top on there, which I think I kind of like for this one. Get that the way that you like it. Okay, cute, right? All right, so now we're going to put this back on her. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, and now we need to figure out how far back the arms need to go to be able to go around her ear. So I'm going to bend this right around her ear, and I'm going to cut it. There's a little cutting thing at the bottom of the pliers, so I know I'm going to cut, oops, basically right about there. Cut that off, bend that just a tiny bit more, and then I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to do a judgment call here and get it basically the same. So I'm going to bend this back right there and trim it. Okay, look at that. I have the two little arms on my tiny glasses. And let's put it on there and see how it fits. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh, I love it. And that's it, guys. It's as easy as that. Just a little bit of wire and a little bit of bending. Wrapping it around that marker or pen is a really great way to get that perfect circle. Hope that helps. Can't wait to see your bespectacled altered moments coming up.